Suit your style with a smartwatch that's available in 2 colors and features a bright AMOLED display, supported application, GPS. Connectivity technology, GPS wireless comm standard, Bluetooth. Know your body better with extensive health monitoring features, including health snapshot, body battery energy levels, sleep score, fitness age, stress tracking, and more. Find new ways to keep your body moving with more than 25 built-in indoor and GPS sports apps, including walking, running, cycling, HIIT, swimming, golf, and many more. Use preloaded workouts that include cardio, yoga, strength, HIIT, and Pilates. Create your own in the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. Or try Garmin Coach free adaptive training plans to help you prepare for your next running challenge.
Thanks for watching. Get 25% discount link below.